Here with Jeff Gay and Bill Corum, Heart of America Prison Ministries and Prison Power Ministries. We've got Bibles to prisoners today, stacks and stacks and stacks. We're over at the post office, and these are going out to individual prisoners. We're over here at the post office, and this is what we do. There's 120 Bibles that are going to prisoners today. Bill, would you like to say something as a former prisoner and somebody who's in prison ministry about the impact of Bibles? And then Jeff, would you share?
I would love to, David. I am so impressed at what you're doing. This Bible's going to Bowling Green, Missouri. This Bible's going to Waynesburg, Pennsylvania. This Bible is going to Colorado, Granite City, Colorado. 120 Bibles going to prisoners today. This is like life to those guys. Those guys will be so thrilled to get a Bible of their own, a good, nice Bible, not one that's handed out by the chaplain with paperback. And this is a leather-bound Bible, right, David?
It's a leather or leather type.
Yeah, these guys will be so thrilled to get these Bibles, and this is life to them, because for me, Jesus saved me, but His Word changed me. And so I am so happy for what you're doing. God bless you.